This is an utterly unimportant castle, but we're still here anyway.
We are hitchhikers and this is Naumburg.
This supposedly insignificant castle is located on a hill above the town of Berenbach and overlooking the valley of the river Nahe. It was first mentioned in a document in 1146 and was probably built somewhere shortly before that date. In that document, Raugraaf Emiko calls himself Count of Naumburg. The name Naumburg at that time thus meant new castle, and through the years grew to become Naumburg. It was meant to complement either the Keerburg or Hachenfels castles in the vicinity.
The castle ruins are fairly modest these days. Most has disappeared throughout the ages. A vaulted room survives near the base of the tower, which seemed to us like it might have been a cellar for storage.
During the 14th century, the Raugraves saw it necessary to sell off their possessions, which meant that the castle was transferred to the Counts of Sponheim. They made Naumburg the administrative seat of a small district.
The drone shots provided by our friend Orca FPV give a better view of the castle than we can show from ground level. Only the outline of the different walls remain, and it is difficult to form a cohesive picture of this former fortress. We are however pleased to see that the castle's tower, however small, was accessible, and a small staircase leads to its top. From here you get the best view over the town and valley.
The castle's history remains fairly plain. It seems to have weathered most wars of the early modern period fairly well. It wasn't until 1803 that French troops destroyed the fortress. We mentioned that this castle was insignificant. But that only means, of course, that it hasn't been mentioned often in historical sources. It's anyone's guess what sort of stories took place here, but were never important enough to be written down. We conclude that Naumburg has kept its secrets well. Its history isn't insignificant. It just hides among the ruins.
Alright, time for the arbitrary subjective castle score for this unremarkable place, Castle Naumburg. I'm gonna go for a 5. Yeah, it's unremarkable. What do you think?
Well, even though it is unremarkable and unimportant throughout history, I'm going to give it a 6 because we could climb the tower. There were 2 levels in the tower and there were some vaulted ceilings.
Indeed, they have catered to our wishes. Thank you so much, Berenbach. What did you think? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.
And like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
And we will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye!